Hi guys! Hello everybody! Kamusta kayo?
Okay lang.
Si Gwen inaantok. So, ang kati ng ilong ko. So, kamusta kayo guys? Nandito kami sa sasakyan because we're on our way to Ohio. Obvious. We're on our way to Ohio to celebrate Gwen's birthday. Yay! Naiiling si Daddy. Naku, ano ulit Daddy? Kaway, sige, ulitin mo. Nakafocus na sa'yo yung camera. Kumakaway-kaway pag wala yung camera. Ang kati ng ilong ko talaga, nakakainis. Anyway, so ayun na nga, nakahanap kami ng ng murang deal.
Nakakailang anyway ka na.
Hayaan mo na. Nakahanap kami ng super deal. Actually, hindi kami. Dinamay lang kami nung kapatid ng...
Super deal. Ano yung super deal?
Super cheap na, na accommodation. So, we'll be staying. We're on our way to Great Wolf Lodge, Sandusky, Ohio. Kasi, naidamay kami ni Smiley. Si Smiley ay kapatid ng pastor namin. So, kasi may mga bata siyang, mga kids siya. So, mahilig sila din mag-ganyan, mag-trip, ganon. Eh, sinabihan niya kami.
At malamang, ate na naman ako.
Oo, at dahil birthday nga din ni Gwen, it's birth month ni Gwen, October 15 kasi yung birthday niya. So, hindi kami
Asa na yung happy birthday ko?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Oh guys, greet nyo si Gwen sa video na to sa comment section ng happy birthday. Birthday ni Gwen ng October 15. Hindi kami naghanda. Bukod sa nagtitipid kami, yun nga,
Yung mga friends na namin naghanda sa akin.
Oo, yun na nga, nakapag-book din naman kami ng out of town. It's a resort actually, indoor. First time din namin na magganon dito sa Kemerut, basta ganon. Tapos may mga iba din kaming kasama. So magsistay kami doon ng 3 days and 2 nights for the amount of, hulaan nyo, comment kayo kung magkano. Basta hindi lalagpas ng $300. And sabi nila sobrang mura yon. And sabi nga ni Daddy sobrang mura din yun. So nag-Gora Bells na kami.
Kesa naman yung sa iba mga 1,000.
Oo. Ang haggard ko naman.
Talaga.
Puro pimple marks, ma'am. Anyari?
Nag-a-acne kasi siya.
Tapos yung dami ko ng white hair. So anyway, yun na nga, we're on our way.
No, mami,
Kakaalis lang namin ng bahay. Time check right now, it's already 4:15. Nakaabot na kami ng traffic. So, samahan nyo kami, tapos sasama namin kayo dun sa resort ko, anong itsura, ganyan. And, ayun lang. Sana si Daddy, bless ng Lord ng lakas. Kasi si Daddy is not feeling well. Hindi lang talaga din namin makancel kasi sayang yung trip. Tsaka yun nga, para sa birthday ni Peppa. Bless you, Daddy.
Hindi naligo yung mga kasama ko.
Hindi ako talaga naligo.
Maliligo naman kasi tayo.
Kasi naliligo naman kami sa resort mamaya. Ba't ba ako maligo? Sayang yung tubig sa bahay, tsaka sabon, tsaka shampoo.
Talaga?
Oo. Actually, yung kamay ko nga amoy smoke kahit naghugas na ako amoy smoke pa din.
Anong sagot?
Kasi si Daddy nagluto.
Anong sagot mo doon?
Ang yabang ni Daddy porque naligo siya.
Maliligo din naman tayo doon.
So within the day, so makakaligo kami today. Tapos nagbaon, alam mo yung mga tipid-tipid nga. So si Daddy nagpa-smoke siya ng ribs. yun, so niligpit ko kanina, pin-repair ko, tapos nagbaon kami ng rice, tapos instant pasta, nilagyan ko
Instant pasta, pancit canton lang.
no, nagdala ako ng instant pasta, yung Nor. Nagdala talaga ako. Iba pa yung pancit canton kasi nagdala din ako ng pancit canton, 3. Tapos nagdala lang din ako ng spinach para medyo may green, may gulay-gulay naman. Pwede namang idagdag yun. Kasi may microwave daw dun sa sa hotel. Tapos may fridge din naman. So at least hindi masisira yung pagkain. Kasi mahal yung food eh. Kaya yun. Tapos ano pa ba? Yun lang naman yung ano namin. Tapos nagdala din ako ng ng cereal tsaka fresh milk.
I'm probably gonna sleep most of the night.
Para syempre breakfast si Gwen.
No,
Yun lang.
May
Yun lang.
kutsara.
May dala kutsara, may dala din akong disposable na na plates. So
Already.
Tapos, kasi naman nung nag-Washington kami, wala kaming gamit. 'Di ba last time? At least kaso wala na rin kami extra kasi na spoon. So parang 6 pieces lang 'yun. Pwede na at least, tas may dala naman akong tinidor. So pwede namang hugasan. Bottled water, daddy, wala tayo.
Mommy, remind me.
Wala nga, di na tayo nakapag-Costco kasi nga si daddy is not feeling well. Sabi sa'yo, Pepa, kung lang, pwede lang.
Apple juice din niya din.
Nalimutan ko pala yung apple juice kasi si daddy pala tawag nito. May friend kasi kami nagbigay ng mga apples. Tapos isang plastic bag, isang sa Bisaya pa silupin ba? Kasi nga silupin ka, dako. Unya, daghan kaayo day. So, nanghinayang si daddy kasi yung iba medyo pabulok na din. Ginusing ni daddy kagabi. Sabi niya dadalhin namin. Nalimutan namin. Ngayon lang ni daddy na alala. Nakakainis. Di mo pinaalala. Tapos ano pa ba?
Pinaalala ko
Ngayon, nandito na tayo.
Oh, at least pinaalala ko.
Good job. Sabi ko nga daan kami ng Best Buy para may holder nitong pag-vlog.
Dadaan lang pala eh. Wala namang gastos dumaan.
Ano po philosophy na to?
Ayun na, dumaan na tayo. Yung Best Buy yun.
Nasaan?
In the very, very back of
Good
the
job
room.
yung asawa ko talaga. Dumaan talaga kami, guys.
Ano tayo Best Buy?
So ayun lang naman. Hopefully hindi kami masyadong matraffic. Makarating din kami doon ng maaga-aga. Tapos makahanap kami ng hindi masyadong malayo na room. Sana madaming late mag-check-in. Kasi sabi ni Smiley, nung friend namin, first come first serve daw. Ayun si Gwen, nagsistart na siyang matulog. Tapos, thank you nga pala sa mga nanonood ng vlogs namin. And we appreciate you. And I'll do my best na makapag-upload ulit kami ng regular ng mga escapades namin, ng mga tipid trips. Ay naman porque alam nyo yun, nasa ibang bansa, maraming pera, mayaman.
Mayabang.
Just so you know guys, hindi. Ayun, basta yun, sobrang tipid trip tong sobrang tipid trip tong ginawa namin. Ayun nga, and you don't have to be like extravagant para makapag So ito, drive lang, gasolina ang gastos, tsaka yun nga, yung sobrang promo na Kaya, yun. See you later guys!
Ako lang ang kailangan yung driver.
Tsaka si daddy, kasi guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-drive on my own. Nag-aaral pa lang ako mag-drive dito. Meron na akong driving permit, tapos
Marunong na daw siya.
oo, nag-drive ako sa Pilipinas. Tumalsik tuloy yung laway ko, kinakita sa camera. Kasi yung araw, ang tabo ko talaga. Tapos ayun, nakakatakot dito mag-drive. Ang dami kasing rules. Syempre
Pumunta pa yung salamin ko.
sorry na. Sungit naman ng driver namin, pogi. Ang init. Kasi yun, nakakatakot. Parang, konting galaw dito, ganyan. Konting galaw, ganyan. So, yun. Anyway, I'll get there. Matututo din ako. Isasama ko kayo minsan sa pagda-driving lesson namin ni Daddy. Bait dito ni Daddy magturo nakaka-nervyos. Tapos, yun lang. Update ko kayo later, guys. Good night, love! Hi, guys! So, inabot na kami ng gabi.
After like 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Umigat pa kasi kami, naiwanan niya yung shades niya.
Wow! Hindi totoo yun. Ang tagal ng biyahe, sobrang traffic. Ayan gabi na.
Liwanag.
This is the time the moon and sun met.
Wow! Woohoo! Ang dami ulam ng asawa ko. Ba't ang blurry?
Daddy,
Yeah!
you're so...
Madilim na nga kasi, no?
Nakakahit talaga si Daddy.
Pakita.
Kita sa camera. Cut in 4K. Wow!
Hindi nga to 4K Madilim kasi.
Purki.
Ayan. Ayoko na mag-drive.
Kanina tumatawa kayo umiiyak.
Sana naman, kasunod ng
Ganun
drive
lang
ko.
kami.
Yung bago
Ganun lang
drive
talaga
ko.
kami. Oh wow.
Bago na sasakyan. Papalitan pa namin yung gulong nito ni Misty. Ng aming ng sasakyan ni Daddy.
If you ever hear the word or name Misty,
Ang dry-dry ng ilong ko talaga. Kanina pa to.
Misty, I love
Sandusky, Norwalk. Ayan. So malapit na kami. Ha?
Hindi lang.
Wag.
Sabi mo basa. Ayaw tuyo. Basahin mo.
Misty, I love you.
Bagla na ito.
O drunk.
Bagla mo.
Misty, I love you, but I don't
Sige,
want
exit natin doon.
Ay, hindi pa ba?
Eto no. Yan. Light na yan. Yan, yellow na yan. Grabe naman yung kalsada nito. Kung sila isang kalsada pa sa haba naman.
Ayan, pa-exit na kami. Sandusky, Norwalk.
La 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 la.
There you go. Nice.
Bow. Bow. La 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 la.
Oh, gosh. Kala ko nasa roller coaster ka.
Sa Cedar Point tayo.
Oh,
Stop.
si Daddy ang kulit mag-drive Welcome! Ano yan? Shores and Islands.
Daddy, you're definitely not fit to drive an ambulance.
Welcome to Ohio, guys!
Dito rin pala yung Cedar Point.
Cedar Point? Ba't may din ba doon? Resort?
Amusement park.
Okay.
Meow, 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 meow. La 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 la.
Ay, may Comfort Inn din pala dito.
Mas kung nagkalat yan. In Pilipinas, Anito Inn.
Uy, comfortable naman.
Tama na.
Pwede na, mura pa.
Alam.
Yung nag-Comfort Inn
Yung
tayo
Anito?
sa Washington. Yung sa Washington, yung Comfort Inn.
Komportable naman talaga yung Anito eh.
Malay ko, di naman ako nakapasok.
Ito pala parang downtown nila. Sir, anong speed limit nyo dito, sir? Baka matikidan ako, sir.
Ayun, 40.
Mayaman pala sila sa stoplight.
Puro stoplight nga, no?
For 300 meters may stoplight.
Nagugutom na ako, hindi pala kami nag-lunch kanina. Nag-work lang kasi ako dire-diretso pagtulog ni Daddy.
Is it not always?
Relaxer pa si Daddy. Buti pa si Daddy nakatulog. Well, kailangan niya matulog. Nag-drive siya.
Yung iya naman ako sa 2 oras kung tulog. Nahiya ako sa 2 oras kung tulog.
Huwag kang tumawa-tawa dyan, Pepa. Ikaw din natulog ka.
Uy, tigas na mukha mo ko. Natulog ka na magdamag. Natulog ka pa sa biyahe.
Kayo.
Well, you know, I'm a child.
You're a what?
I'm a child.
Are you?
Hindi mo man lang nilabas yung, ano mami?
Ano?
Yung, ano tawag?
I'm an angel child.
Yung kunyan?
Kunyan. Anong kunyan?
Yung kunyan.
Mais Coniero.
Ano yung mayor, oh?
I like Rainbow Lodge!
Laki pa.
Asan? Ah, ayun na.
Ayan, oh!
Ang ganda pala eh. Sa labas pa lang maganda na eh.
Lipat tayo.
Oh, may totoong water slide! Yay! Hindi lang yung baby water slide.
Welcome!
Saan tayo
Great.
magpapark?
Finally.
Oh, Lodge.
Ganyan pala yung ano, yung design nila.
We're here na, guys.
Sa O. Kita-kita yung bata eh.
May batang excited.
Joke pala yung parking nila.
Daddy, baka layo naman ang entrance nito.
Kaya nga ikot ako eh. Ano ba sinisigawan mo ko?
Hindi, ikaw pa ba?
Kasarado.
Ay.
Kasarado na nga yung...
Meow. 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 La 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 la.
Excited ang bata.
Yung jockey. Hindi mo nila yung jockey.
Dinala ko, Daddy.
No, I mean, hindi mo malang nilabas.
Oo.
Tanga. Wow.
My tummy is rumbling.
Huwag na. Kumain. Kaibigan sa pagkain. Tayo papasok.
Diyan yata. Right? To the right, I guess.
To the right. To the left. Left foot to stomp. Side to the left.
Yung
Side
room
to the
number.
right. Crisscross. 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 Cha-cha was smooth. Dun, 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 dun. Crisscross. Crisscross.
Is this the main entrance?
Cha-cha was smooth.
Oh yeah, this is it. This is it, Pansit.
15 minutes parking.
Great Wolf Lodge! Go, let's go.
I know there's cameras.
Hi guys! So, dito na kami sa entrance. Let's go check in.
Yeah.
Hey, say hi! This is Dan and this is Smiley hiding. Okay.
Yes. That's why I asked the last 4 digits because I might have used a different one. Yeah. And we're all set, right?
I have to get your guys' keys,
Okay.
and that's all you guys have to do.
All right.
So guys, we're done checking in and this is the front office. It's pretty. They're so nice. There. Why are you hiding? Si Peppa, very excited. Naghintay sila sa amin ng 1 hour kasi na-late kami ng dating.
Alright, these are the kiddos' bracelets.
Okay.
This is your guys' bracelets. And chips on the back, so that's in your room. You're going to take the elevator up to the 4th floor, and then you're going to take a right. I would suggest parking by door 1 because your room is all the way at the end of the hallway, so you guys can just go from that elevator at door 1.
Okay, alright.
What room did you ako na closer sa mom room?
405.
It would let us know.
There's no room closer to us.
Hey, I just want to try. Do you have like any room closer to
364?
Would you say
364.
and some bags, like the black bags?
Oh, really? Oh, that's awesome.
I will have to reprogram those keys because it
Okay.
hooks up to your room, so I'm gonna
Okay.
see those. Sorry.
Thank you so much. Oo, nakalimot ka.
Vlogging po mo.
Yeah. Thank you for reminding me.
He went for mother, right?
Ha? Ano maulo man ka?
Pag-abot ninyo sa room,
there for the birthday?
Yeah.
What is your
pero ba naka-full glass?
First day. Check it. Four? Opo. Opo. Oh, that was quick.
Power up to the third floor and then take a left.
All right. Thank you so much. 365, right next to your room. I appreciate you so much. Thanks, Mel. Let's go. I have to go back. I forgot that she actually texted me to ask if there's like a closer room to your room. And then she reminded me. And then we're like next to you guys. 365. Andun sa car. Hey, you haven't said, hey, where's my hug? Where's my hug?
He's wet.
Where's my hug?
We're wet.
You're wet, I know, right? Let's get daddy. Let's get daddy. Saan siya magpapark? Saan kayo nakapark?
Pa-transfer ko siya dito. Para easy inyo.
Ah, okay. Wait for me. Alright, let's get daddy.
On their way.
I know, right? Daddy. So there, Daddy's parking. That's him.
You might want to just change really quick and you put everything else away later.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
She wanna
The
swim.
water park only open till 8.
Yeah. She wanna swim, so.
What is it again?
365.
365 up there.
Yeah.
You're the right across from us. 364.
When? Why are you blocking everybody?
Okay. Nice. Thank you so much. So we have to like wear that all the time?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Alright. Oh, change.
Go, go, go,
So
go.
you can swim.
I need my stupid.
Love, love.
That's fun. I want to go again.
Go.
Huh? Yeah, I think.
Dinner time! Dinner! Happy birthday, Peta!
Oh, happy birthday, Dan, Friday.
Oh, happy birthday, Dan! That's our dinner.
Don't make it hard for yourself. Just pull it.
Dinner.
But she puts it in afterwards. You know, it's like after the kids eat, but then it soaks in with it. She puts broccoli in it too, so the broccoli gets really spicy.
Remote.
Yes.
And we have choo-choo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Carol,
we don't like
Choo-choo.
Yeah, we don't like choo-choo.
Go eat. You're gonna eat first.
Cut it.
You can cut it. Go.
You got a knife.
Ow. You just cook it.
How many? Go eat.
Yeah, it's real
What are you doing?
good.
Ayan guys, so in this video, as you can see, naka-costume si Gwen. She's naka-onesie pineapple costume siya. And yung mga ibang bata naka-costume din. So basically, nung nagpunta kami ng Sandusky Great Wolf Lodge, Sandusky, Ohio, Halloween season kasi towards the end of October yun last month. And then may mga activities sila na ganyan for Halloween. So one of the activity na meron sila nung first day namin, first night namin to, ayan, may mga character sa unahan na nagtuturo ng sayaw, ng steps. And then apat sila, isang Barbie, isang fairy, isang mermaid, at yung guy is si Captain Hook. So each of them meron naka-assign na music and steps na ituturo. Pero unfortunately guys, I'm sorry, hindi ko na in-include or enough ko yung music at nag-voice over ako ngayon kasi makaka-copyright tayo sa music. So I decided na i-voice over na lang and just like, explain to you guys kung anong ginawa namin. So anyway, going back, etong music na to, I think this is thriller based dun sa actions. Yung I think Savage Love, Thriller, tsaka yung last na pinlay nila is Baby Shark. It's a good bonding experience ng family. Yung iba dyan hindi nagsasayaw, nakaupo lang sa floor, but it's the same. At least they get to interact with other kids. So nakakatuwa din manood. And then si Daddy yung nagko-cover ng video at this point kasi nga nagsasayaw kami ni Gwen and hindi naman namin siya pwedeng pagsayawin kasi walang magko-cover ng aming activity or dance na ganyan. Nag-enjoy ako talaga dito as in. At one point si Gwen parang tinamad na siya pero ay sabi ko, ano ka ba? Maganda siyang opportunity. Tapos tuloy lang, saglit lang naman to, like mga 30 minutes lang yata. 9 p.m. nag-start and then 9:30 tapos na siya. And then towards the end of this dance party, meron silang pabubbles. So nag-enjoy din kami doon. Kaya hindi na rin namin masyado nakuha kasi na-lowbat na yung I think parang na-lowbat na yata yung phone. So ayun lang guys, sobrang saya ng namin, ng trip namin na to. Bukod sa mura siya, it's the place itself, it's pretty, it's beautiful talaga. Kaya thank you kay Smiley na in-invite kami and in-inform kami sa discount rate ng resort. We'll surely go back and and ayun na nga, yan ang sinasabi ko. So ayan na yung mga pababers ng Great Wolf Lodge, Sandusky, Ohio. So ayan, enjoy.
So this is the end of our vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. It's our first night here in Great Wolf Lodge in Sandusky, Ohio. So
this is the end of our vlog for today. But it's not gonna be separate video.
It is kasi masyado na ding mahaba. So this is our day one.
Okay, day one.
And
day one. Baka mag-late yung day 2 and
time
day 2.
check. It's already
10.
Is it 10?
Yeah, it's 10.
It's already 10:20 p.m.
I'm a pretty fruit
right now. Pretty Pepas. So we're closing our vlog for today. Thank you all so much for watching, you guys, and happy birthday again, Pepalogs. It's not my birthday anymore. It's parang whole month celebration, late celebration namin for Peppa, for Gwen. So yun, thank you guys for watching our videos. Hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. And see you tomorrow. Bye guys.